Can you glow up without spending a ton of money? Absolutely. Today, I'm going to show you how. So here are the 10 affordable items that will make you glow up. Let's start off with something that will make your teeth whiter. So usually I would recommend Crest whitening strips because these work fantastically. But let's say you're on a budget and you don't want to spend that kind of price tag. That's okay. All you got to do is pick up some baking soda. Now, of course, it's not going to work as good as the whitening strips, but baking soda does a great job of lifting any stains that you might have on your teeth, and it's very affordable. Now, granted, I probably wouldn't use this every single day, more like twice a week at very max. Even though there's a lot of studies out there that says it's safe for daily use, I would definitely use it twice a week. Then once you notice you have white teeth, I would take it back and use it only when you need to. All right, the next thing is going to be some Vaseline. Now, this is literally less than $5, but let's be real. Dried chapped lips do not look good. And not only do they look bad, they are extremely uncomfortable. You want to do your best to avoid this. And when I say avoid this, I mean on both sides, if you know what I mean. It's a huge plus having attractive lips, and the way to do that is by having healthy lips, and the best way to get healthy lips is with Vaseline. Now, I've always been very vocal that I hate chapstick and I hate Carmex. These two burn my lips, they don't work, and in fact they're very addictive. But Vaseline, on the other hand, this one is a gem. Now, I apply some before I go to sleep and reapply throughout the day. I would say just use a little bit, because if you use a lot, it is going to look like you have lip gloss on, and there's a fine line between having attractive lips and just straight up having lip gloss. No offense to anybody who uses that, but it's just not my thing.
Now, you may be wondering where this backpack's from. Here's a little reminder that come May 13th, my line with essentials is going to be dropping, including a backpack like this. Just a little reminder for you to save the date.
All right, the next thing is going to be a leave-in conditioner. Now, this is something that I've been using a lot more of recently. And let me tell you, ever since I got my hands on one, this thing has definitely changed my life. All I do is put a little bit through my wet hair. I typically let my hair air dry, and I noticed that not only is my hair a lot more hydrated, because I use the one that I use, which is called Quench and Curl. I picked it up from Target. It's crazy how something less than $5 has changed my life dramatically, because my hair looks a lot better, and because this one specifically is for curly hair, it makes my hair a lot more wavy, which is exactly what I'm going for. Now, if you see this and think that it's going to give you wavy hair, if you have straight hair, there's really no way of changing it unless you get an actual perm, but that's not on the list because that's kind of expensive. And like I said, right now, we're only talking about affordable options. So let's talk about the next one, and that is going to be a pair of tweezers. Now, if you have any unwanted facial hair in your nose or your unibrow area, even around your eyebrows, sometimes you can plug out any unwanted hair, and it's going to shape up everything. It's going to make it look a lot cleaner. And when you have clean eyebrows, trust me, it goes such a long way. Now, of course, the real recommendation would be going to go get your eyebrows done. But right now, we're not spending any money. The only thing we're buying is a pair of tweezers, which is like $3, sometimes even less. So like I said, clean up the unibrow area, plug out any unwanted nose hair, because nose hair is kind of gross. Trust me, I know it might hurt, but it's definitely gonna be well worth it. All right, let's talk about jewelry. Now, jewelry, it has a stigma of being very expensive. And you know what? It really could be. Except today I'm going to be giving you the most affordable option for jewelry, and that is going to be stainless steel pieces from Amazon. I promise you, for like $15-20, it looks exactly like the chains that I have, where I spent $70 to $100 with. Stainless steel looks exactly like sterling silver, and even if there's a slight difference, I promise you, no one's even going to notice. So it's really up to you if you want to be honest with people and say that your chain is $20 or if it was $150. Now, stainless steel jewelry doesn't just have to be chains. You can get necklaces, rings, bracelets, anything like that. And those are the main pieces of jewelry that I always recommend. And you could honestly get one of each, all totaling out to less than $50. So many people are sleeping on stainless steel jewelry from Amazon. I guarantee you it's well worth it. All right, the next pickup that's definitely essential is going to be some emergency patches. Now, every single glow up video out there is going to tell you to take care of your skin, get some skincare routines, and I definitely agree with that. But like I keep saying, we're not spending any money right now, so all you have to worry about for the time being is going to be some emergency spot patches. Now, pretty much what these are going to do is, if you wake up with a very red pimple, put an emergency spot patch on, and although for the time being while you're wearing it, it is going to look a little dorky, so it's not going to count towards a glow up, but give it about 6 hours. The redness is going to be reduced, the inflammation is going to be reduced, and you're going to look a lot better, and you're one step closer to that glow up. These things are gems. I use these constantly, and on Amazon, they're less than $10. All right, the next one is going to be the absolute cheapest thing that you could do to look better. That is going to be some ice. For the most part, you really don't have to spend any money. Now, if you wake up and you had poor sleep, maybe you didn't get enough sleep last night, maybe you're up playing video games the last few days, that's exactly what I've been doing. And when I wake up and I check the mirror, I notice that my eyes are very puffy. So all I have to do is go to the freezer, get some ice, and apply it for a few minutes under my eyes. That's going to help reduce the inflammation there. It's going to make the bags under your eyes look a lot less. It's a quick and simple fix, and you don't have to spend any money. All right, the next one is going to be a lint roller. Now, I still stand by the fact that the worst thing that you could have on your clothes is going to ruin any outfit is going to be pet hair or lint. And this is coming from somebody that has a lot of pets. So for me, it's so hard to escape pet hair. So the best way to solve this is going to be with a lint roller. And again, you can get this for $2 or $3 from Amazon. So very cheap. It's going to save your outfit. It's going to make you look a lot better. Because let's say you don't even have pets. Chances are your clothes are going to be attracting a lot of lint. And even that looks extremely sloppy. It looks messy. Even if you have the most sophisticated outfit out there, it's going to be ruined by something as little as lint. Get rid of it. Get yourself a lint roller. And that way you're going to look a lot better. The next one is going to be some fragrances. And that's because glowing up is more than just your actual appearance. If you truly want to have the best glow up possible, you have to upgrade in every aspect. And that's why I mentioned things for your style. Now we're going to be talking about your scent, because you want to smell better than other guys, and that's truly what's going to set you apart from other people. And the best way to do that is with a good fragrance. Now usually when I talk about fragrance, I have some more expensive options, but let's talk about some more affordable options. You can get something like Nautica Voyage for $20, which is insanely affordable. This is definitely one of the best fragrances to start off with, especially right now that it's the springtime. It's perfect for this season. But if you want something a bit different, another thing that you could do is hop on Scentbird, or there's plenty of other services like that where you can get some bigger sample packs of designer fragrances, which cost a ton of money, but you're only paying $15 and you have a month's supply every single month. I've used Scentbird in the past and I really did like it, so I'm definitely recommending it. The next thing is going to be some eye drops. Now again, poor sleep can really lead you to looking worse. I mentioned earlier that it can give you some puffy eyes, but another thing that it can give you is red eyes. Now let's be real, red eyes just doesn't look good, and if they're too red, it's going to look like you're doing something else. We both know what we're talking about, and trust me, you don't want that look. So one thing that you got to do is get some eye drops, and it's a simple fix to make your eyes look a lot wider, because when they are wider, it makes you look a lot more attractive. Now look, these are affordable things that you can start doing right now to glow up, because I did make a video earlier showing 10 items to make you glow up, but some of those things were kind of pricey. So here's the alternative. If you don't have a lot of money, the 10 things that I mentioned are going to be your best friend. But if you do have that extra bit of money and you want to know the 10 items that's really going to help you glow up, I have a video that's going to show you exactly that. Other than that, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.